how to sync Facebook friends list on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here and bottom corner, and then click these three lines in the top corner, and now all you need to do just click privacy and then click sync contacts and Facebook friends. And here all you need to do just click sync Facebook. Here you will find it, you can turn it off or on, sync Facebook friends list, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.